No, you have to go back on the bike. Well, it wasn't supposed to be a cane, but that's okay. Xander's having technical difficulties. No, and then Katie goes, and then Drewby goes.
This is stupid. We go no matter what. They go next.
Yeah. Okay, go, Kate.
Go, get on and go. No, I got a better idea.
Just walk, Kate. Just walk.
Guys, I win. I win. See?
No.
I got the stick over there. Well, just winning, because, you know, Catherine's gonna win. Oh, never mind. Grab the stick.
Drew failed. And he was doing so well.
Can I?
Go, Katie, go!
Can we run this time?
No, next time you'll run.
No! Xander, stop it. They threw snow at us last time. Can I throw snow at them this time?
No.
I think I need to go inside.
Hurry up, Drew.
I need to go inside, Christina. My feet are getting cold and my
Okay,
shoes
go
are
inside,
getting wet.
Katie.